Holiday without apple cider. When you're cold and when you're freezing, you're outside, if somebody hands you a nice hot cup of apple cider, it makes your day, doesn't it? Well, that is the same thing we're going to do right here. We're going to make your day with our apple cider. Now what we've done here is we've cheated a little bit. We've already gone to the store and we've gotten a pre-made juice of apple juice. It's the whole apple and it's juiced. And it's very simple to do at home, but if you're in a rush, you can get some apple juice, apple cider already made, and that's fine. And this is organic apple cider. And I put it in here, and I put in 2 cinnamon sticks, I put in some cloves, and a little kick of ginger, just to kind of give you all those nice little flavors that you want for the holidays. I've molded, so it's been sitting here and just simmering for about an hour, and so all of those flavors have gone right into that apple cider. And when you get a nice hot cup of apple cider, you are going to be happy. I'm going to take a cup of water and I'm going to put this in my pot and let it come to a boil. And I'm going to start with just a half a cup of xylitol. This is natural sugar. It's made from a birch tree, and it is teaspoon for teaspoon for sugar. Now, if you overdo it, of course, it can give you diarrhea or something, but who does that much sugar? But, well, some people do. That's probably why we have xylitol. But if you do the xylitol, it sweetens like sugar does, like natural cane sugar would sweeten. So I'm going to start that in there. I'm going to let that come to a boil with just a few cloves. Bring it to a boil. And once I bring that cup of water to a boil with the sugar, then the xylitol will dissolve in it, and we're going to pop in the cranberries. And we're just going to let the cranberries boil over medium heat, and they start to pop and start to gel inside there. And then once you do that, then you put it in the refrigerator and let it get cold, and then you just take it like you would do normal cranberry sauce. Except the problem with canned cranberry sauce is that it's canned. So it's processed, they put all the additives in it to try to increase the shelf life. And there's nothing better than fresh cranberry sauce. It's a totally different taste than using canned cranberry sauce. It's a big difference. I grew up on canned cranberry sauce, so I know the difference. And I used to ask my mom, can you get the one with the berries in it instead of the gel one? Because I thought the berries taste more natural than the gel one. So we're going to actually have some berries in our cranberry sauce today. Okay. So that sugar, you can already look down there and see that that sugar is dissolving just like sugar, right? You see that? See how it went in as a white crystal, and now it's dissolving and going into being just a sugar, okay? Just a sugar water. So now we see the water is boiling. And because it's boiling, because we did not watch it, because a watch pot never boil. That's right. All right, so I'm going to take the cranberries, I'm just going to pop them in the water. All right, and then you can look down in there. So I let them go in there, and I'm going to let them continue to boil, and I'm going to put that rosemary branch in there because it'll just give it a slight rosemary flavor. And why do I do that? Just because I like to maximize nutrition, so I put in as much antiviral, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. I want that all in my food. So every bite that I take, I know that I'm getting some extra good flavor, and I'm getting extra good flavor, and I'm getting extra good nutrition, so that I know that it's doing great things inside my body. You can actually hear it bubbling right now. Can you hear that? Though that bubble sound is actually the cranberries popping. So I love that. So I'm going to turn it down to like a medium and let it continue to boil. And I'll put a top on it because it will kind of pop all over the place. So I'm going to put a top top on it and let it just get its oil on by itself. So we're gonna leave that on medium heat, and then we're gonna go over and we're gonna make now our stuffing.